to Being Whole in Menopause. For those of you all who are finding us for the first time, my name is Coach Andrea, and here at Being Whole in Menopause, I empower women to embrace this new phase of their life so that they can live longer, healthier, and happier lives. So, this is a new year. You know that saying, new year, new you. All right? Well, ladies, I was watching video that came across, and of course, it's our topic, perimenopause, menopause, postmenopause. So you know your girl was listening, right? And I loved it because I know you've seen this, where Miss Melanie Sanders was talking about, I don't care. She started this club, the I Don't Care Club.
Hello and welcome to our new and existing members of the We Do Not Care Club. I started this club for all women going through perimenopause, menopause, and postmenopause. We are putting the world on notice that we simply just do not care much anymore. Let's go ahead and get started with today's announcements. We do not care if we have a gym bag in our car with zero plans to go to the gym. We bought that bag from Marshall's. We thought it looked cute. We do not care if you've never heard of frozen shoulder. You'll rub it and listen to us complain about it until the 1 to 3 years is up. We do not care if telling you I told you so offends you. You should have listened to us the first time. We do not care about your drama. Just deal with that shit or walk away. If you don't, we will. We do not care that we stripped the beds this morning to wash the sheets. It's bedtime, we're tired. Find a sleeping bag. We do not care, what I was talking about?
I do not care for 20.
Okay, that's what I was talking about. Okay. We do not care what the 20-year-old influencers are telling us to wear after 50. You have no idea what's coming, sugar. Sit down and be quiet. We do not care if there are leftovers in the fridge. Those leftovers are for the person we were yesterday. We are a different person today. We do not care what a labubu is. We care about la bills, la rent, and la car note. This concludes our announcements. For our new and existing members, go ahead and put in the comments what we do not care about today so I can add that to the list. Thank you.
Oh my goodness, genius! Why? Because when we're in perimenopause, menopause, and postmenopause, we don't care. Now, for my younger sisters out there, I'm going to tell you why women in perimenopause, menopause, and postmenopause want to be part of the I Don't Care Club. Because think about when you're on your menstrual cycle, when you're cramping, when you don't feel good. How do you feel? You don't care. Imagine feeling like that day in and day out, and you're not being seen, and people are just getting on your nerves because your mood swings are going up and down and up and down. Your body doesn't look the way that you thought that it should be looking at this point in your life. And so you just don't care. You just don't care. You get into that feeling. So kudos, this is a shout out to Miss Melanie Sanders for expressing how so many women feel during this time of their life. They really don't care. I remember when I was in perimenopause, I call it my lumpy dump stage. I got that term from Miss Oprah Winfrey because she termed lumpy dump. I said, oh my God, I've turned into a lumpy dump. I just didn't care. I was wearing oversized clothes. I didn't care how I looked. I just wanted to just crawl up into a corner somewhere and just fade into the sunset because you really don't care. But I have something to say. It's okay for us to come together and we got to laugh at each other. You have to laugh. That's one thing I love about her book. You see yourself, so you need to laugh. Laughter is so good because when you start laughing, you start to come out on the other side of things. And that's what this phase is about. We're going to come out on the other side of things. Yes, we have our moments when we don't want to be bothered. Yes, we have our moments when when you say black, I'm going to say white just because I can. First of all, I earned it because of the age that I'm at. But we got to come out on the other side. And that's what I want. New year, new you. I want you to embrace a new you. A new you. Think about, this is how I feel today, but look about how you can feel tomorrow. Perimenopause, menopause, and postmenopause is not about staying in I don't care mode. It's about reassessing, what do I want for my life? Where do I see myself 5, 10, 20 years from now? I see a strong woman. Yes, I'm talking to you. I'm talking to all of you all. Yes, you have gifts that God has given you. This is your time to show the world what you made of, to show the world that you can get past the symptoms of menopause. You can get past all of the stigmas that come with menopause, because it's not the end. There is so much more in your life, so much to embrace. It's just a matter of finding the right systems to put in place to deal with the things that we're dealing with. And one of those things, that's why I'm so excited about Melanie's book, because now is a different time. We don't have to be like our moms and our grandmothers, where we had to hold all that stuff in. And back then, they really did get to the point where they just didn't care. But we have the freedom, ladies, to let the world know, hey, I'm in perimenopause, my body's going through. I'm in menopause, my body's going through. I'm in postmenopause, my body's going through. And guess what? I can laugh at the fact that I just don't care. So thank you, Miss Sanders, for your book. I hope that this book is a book that all women in perimenopause and menopause and postmenopause can read and embrace. But remember, ladies, we have to get past that point of I just don't care, and remember that there's so many of us who do care. Your sisters out there who are going through the same thing that you are. Miss Melanie Sanders herself, she wrote the book because she cares. She cares that she has some sisters out there who were feeling the same way that she was. And that is why we have to come together in this powerful time that we have, where the light is shining on what we're going through, and let the world know that, yes, we care and we are powerful. And yes, new year, new you. All right, that's all I have for you today. And I look forward to helping you to become and transform into that new year, new you. And that is what this is all about. You transforming into that new you. In 2026, we at Being Whole in Menopause, we are here for you because we care. We care what you're going through. And so we're going to have some tools. We're going to talk about some things. We're going to bring some experts on to help you to create that plan that's going to help you to get past all of the symptoms of menopause so that you can feel comfortable in your body and you can be healthier and happier. If you are looking for additional assistance and you want to go a little bit deeper, and you want someone to support you and walk through this time with you, check out our 12-week program, the Thrive in Menopause program. I said Thrive in Menopause. Thrive in Menopause program, where we go deeper and we deal with all of these different things that your body's going, all the hormonal changes. We talk about diet. We talk about weight loss. At this time, we're thinking about losing weight. There is more than just losing the weight within a couple of weeks. We want to sustain that weight loss. Check us out. We also have our Cool and Rested a 7-day challenge for hot flashes. You don't have to suffer through the hot flashes. And so I look forward to being there for you. Comment below and let me know your thoughts. Have you read the book? Did it make you laugh? Did you see yourself in it? And are you excited about transforming into that new you? That's all for now. And remember, we don't care. But we do care. Bye.